Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making Tallarines Verdes, a Peruvian noodle dish, or pasta, but we're going to use noodles today. You're going to need a quarter cup of olive oil, 1 onion finely sliced, 2 garlic cloves, 400 grams of noodles or spaghetti, 200 grams of baby spinach leaves, 3 cups of basil leaves, half a cup of evaporated milk, quarter of a cup of toasted walnut pieces, and 150 grams of queso fresco or feta cheese. We're going to start by slicing up the onion and the garlic. Now we're going to heat up the olive oil in the saucepan over medium heat. Then we're going to place the onion and the garlic in there and allow it to cook until softened, starting to get slightly translucent. So it will take 6 to 7 minutes depending on how quick your stovetop is. We're going to allow the onions and garlic to cool down a little bit and go to our food processor where we're going to place in the spinach, basil, walnuts. We're also going to remember to measure our evaporated milk instead of just eyeballing it, because that will cause a problem later on. And we're also going to add the feta. Now that the onions and garlic are cool, we can add them as well. And we're going to blitz it all up, remembering to stop every so often to scrape down the sides and to test for seasoning. So if it's not right where you want it to be, add a bit more salt and pepper and keep going from there. And as you can see, I added too much of the evaporated milk and that caused some problems. So we've got a bit of a misbalance and I added a bit more basil to try and darken up the colour, but unfortunately at this stage I had run out of spinach and I had run out of basil, and so the sauce was going to be lighter than it should be. Normally it would be a darker green than this. Now that the sauce is ready, cook the noodles or the pasta as according to their instructions, and heat up the fry pan to get the sauce ready. Once the noodles are cooked, drain them and set aside about a quarter of a cup of the pasta or noodle water so we can help emulsify the sauce. Add the noodles and some of their cooking water in and start to mix so you can start emulsifying the sauce and also to break up the noodles. Stir to coat the noodles and then it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave us a like or a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.